If you're looking to delete a photo specifically from Google Photos, but not on your iPhone or Android, for whatever reason, you're not able to do that in the app. Whenever you go to delete a photo or a video, it'll also delete it from your phone. But there is a workaround where you can just delete it from those Google Photos, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, let's open up first the Google Photos app, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's use this one as an example. If I hit the trash can icon, you can see it says, allow Google Photos to delete this photo. This photo will be deleted from your iCloud photo on all your devices, which is not what we want. We just want to delete it from Google Photos. So I'm going to hit don't allow. And you can see there's that photo on the Google Photos app and on the Photos app on my iPhone. To be able to delete that, we need to open up a web browser, and we're going to go directly to photos.google.com. From here, we're on the website-based version of Google Photos. For whatever reason, this works a little bit different than the app-based version. So if I scroll down and choose that same photo, and tap the trash can icon and hit move to trash, I'll show you exactly what happens. So let's go back, and it's no longer on here, but let's hop into the Photos app on my iPhone, and you can see it is still in the Photos app of my iPhone. If I hop into Google Photos here, you can see it is still removed from there. It is no longer in there because it syncs that up, but it is still in the trash of your Google Photos. So you can tap on the profile up here, and you can see it is currently backing up everything and syncing everything. So if you still see it on there, it could be because it's not synced up. But to permanently delete it, we can tap on the collections icon and then trash here. And you can see there is that photo that is in my trash but not permanently deleted. To permanently delete it, I can tap the delete button and permanently delete it from my Google Photos. But even after I've done that, I'll show you that this still works. If you open up the Photos app, here it is still on my iPhone within that Photos app, but it just isn't in Google Photos anymore. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video and it was legitimately helpful for you, I would greatly appreciate it if you consider hitting the subscribe button, maybe liking this video, and leaving a comment to tell other people that it helped you. It helps me be able to make these videos completely free for you guys. Thanks.